Alright, this problem tends to freak out a lot of SAT students, so let's jump into it. A function f is defined by f of x equal to negative ax plus b, where a and b are constant. In the xy plane, the graph of y equal to f of x minus 15 has the y-intercept of 0, negative 99 over 7. The product of a and b is 65 over 7. What is the value of a? Alright, let's jump into this problem. So the first thing we know here is that we're given f of x to be this function, and we're given y equal to f of x minus 15. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use y equal to f of x minus 15. Now f of x was defined as negative 8 to the x plus b. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace f of x. So this is going to be y equal to negative a to the x plus b minus 15. So that's going to be my y. Now if that is my y, now I have the intercept at 0, negative 99 over 7. So I'm going to put negative 99 over 7 equal to my intercept, plug in 0 for x. This is going to be negative a to 0 plus b minus 15. So what that will give me, that's going to give me simply negative 99 over 7 equal to negative 1 plus b minus 15. I'm going to get negative 99 over 7 equal to negative 16 plus b. Now adding 16 now to both sides, I'm going to get negative 99 over 7 plus 16 equal to b. So my b then is simply going to be equal to 15 over 7. So that's going to be my situation now. Now the final thing here is that they told us that the product of a and b is 65 over 7. So what I'm going to do, a times b is going to be 65 over 7. So all I need to do here is just plug in my b for 13 over 7. So this is going to be a times 13 over 7 equal to 65 over 7. So that's going to be my a is going to simply be equal to 65 over 7 times 7 over 13 to kind of get rid of this, multiplying the left side by the reciprocal. So this is going to give me a to be equal to